today, we're here to talk about our server processors. We've made a tremendous amount of progress with EPYC in the last 3 years. AMD EPYC powers the world's most important workloads. And as the demand for more compute increases, our customers always want more. They want more performance, greater scalability, and new layers of security. We thought about all of this when creating our next generation server processors. And now I'm very excited to show you, for the very first time, our third generation AMD EPYC processor. Our new EPYC processors extend our leadership in server CPUs, and not by a small amount. Third gen EPYC is simply the best server processor available. We deliver more performance, best-in-class scalability, and differentiated security. It actually increases our lead in overall performance per socket, enabling maximum compute density. And it also now delivers per-core performance leadership. Now let's take a look at third-gen EPYC in action and how this performance translates into real-world experiences. Virtual desktop infrastructure is a critical enabler of today's rapidly changing workforce. VDI provides remote access to key business applications and tools while maintaining a company's data security. And as the number of remote workers increases, businesses need to have the ability to scale their VDI infrastructure to support a larger number of users while maintaining low latency to ensure a good user experience.
You know, at AMD, security remains foundational in our designs. And I'm proud of the Datacenter first with Zen 3's Infinity Guard security feature. It adds strong additional layers to our security offering. And our first gen EPYC, secure encrypted virtualization enabled encrypted memory for each virtual machine and to protect that confidential information. In the second generation, we added SEV-ES to protect the VM control registers on the CPU from compromise. And now, with Zen 3 and third gen EPYC, we add secure nested paging to protect data in use at the virtual machine level. Secure nested paging enables the industry's best virtualized environment to date, and AMD is the first to market with this solution. It's a new layer of protection in multi-tenant cloud. It mitigates an attack vector, meaning the cloud provider's hypervisor controller can't see into those VMs or make changes to the tenant. And that protects data in use, even from cloud administrators. Moreover, all of these confidential computing capabilities can be seamlessly implemented as a lift and shift with no application modification needed. We will continue our priority focus on security and plan to add more hardening of AMD security offerings going forward.
I'm very proud to announce the full family of third generation EPYC server CPUs available today. The latest in the EPYC line, the third generation 7003 family, spans a wide range of performance, starting at the 8-core 72F3 all the way up to a 64-core behemoth, the 7763, which, as Lisa already showed you, is the highest performance server CPU in the world. All of these processors, regardless of their core count, include the complete set of EPYC features. 8 channels of high-performance memory supporting up to 4 terabytes of DRAM per CPU. 128 or more lanes of PCIe Generation 4 I/O to connect to networking, storage, and accelerators without the cost or performance impacts of external bridge chips. Crucially, this EPYC family offers an unmatched set of security features to help keep your data, your users, and your customers safe. Third generation EPYC processors are socket compatible with the second generation, enabling our customers and partners to easily embrace this new level of performance. Before today, in the heart of the stack, the integer performance leader has been the second generation AMD EPYC 7532, 12% faster than the best our competitor has to offer. Today, the third generation 75F3 32-core part takes it up to another level and drives 40% more integer performance than the competition. That's performance that delivers better results for enterprises, databases, data analytics, Java workloads, a wide range of applications. There is no place where performance is more important than in high-performance computing, HPC. Once again, the previous floating point performance 32-core leader was the second generation AMD EPYC 7532, 40% faster than our competitor's best. Today, with the third generation 75F3, we are achieving 70% higher performance on the spec FP rate benchmark than the competition. With the performance of the EPYC processor line, AMD is now leading across many areas of HPC, from natural resource exploration to financial modeling, from advanced robotics to product design for a wide range of industrial, consumer, and automotive products. AMD is the processor of choice. AMD is leading the journey to exascale. With our third generation EPYC CPUs and Instinct compute optimized GPUs, we are helping companies and organizations around the world build pre-exascale systems that are laying the foundation for the exascale era. This year, we'll be helping our partners install Lumi, the largest supercomputer in Europe based on EPYC and Instinct, and build Australia's largest supercomputer, again, using third generation EPYC CPUs and next generation Instinct GPUs. AMD is immensely proud to be part of the effort later this year that will build the industry's first system to break the exascale barrier, the Frontier supercomputer at Oak Ridge National Labs. The Frontier system is being built in collaboration with the Cray team at Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. Powered by third generation EPYC processors and next generation Instinct GPUs, Frontier will be capable of over 1.5 exaflops, 1.5 quintillion calculations every second. What Frontier can do in 1 second would take 7 years if every human did one math calculation a second. That is computation at an unprecedented scale and shatters the limits of today's supercomputers. When we launched the EPYC processor family, AMD promised to deliver a roadmap of high-performance, innovative server CPUs. The third generation EPYC processors continue to deliver to that promise with unmatched performance, incredible scalability, and advanced security features.
The cloud has never been more important to the world, and with the spike in demand, cloud providers are focused more than ever on making the right technology investments to deliver the best performance, scalability, and security, which is exactly why leading cloud providers are choosing AMD EPYC processors. We take incredible pride that the world's largest and most important cloud services are powered by AMD. Billions of users around the world rely on AMD EPYC-powered services, including Microsoft 365 and Teams, Tencent Meeting, Twitter, or Zoom. From Amazon to Alibaba, Google, IBM, Microsoft, Oracle, and Tencent, the world's leading cloud companies use AMD EPYC. We're very pleased with our progress in the cloud, and today we have over 200 first and second generation EPYC instances available. As we turn to the third generation EPYC, we see even more opportunity to accelerate our cloud deployments. We're on track to more than double with third gen EPYC, which translates into over 400 AMD-powered instances across all EPYC families by the end of 2021. That's just tremendous progress, and we're incredibly proud that the industry's leaders are increasingly choosing EPYC processors to power their businesses.
And we developed third gen EPYC to help enterprise overcome these challenges and thrive. It is the industry's highest performance server CPU, and that translates to lower total cost of ownership, helping our customers do more with less. And we're laser focused on delivering that value quickly and seamlessly. We are partnering with the best in the industry across operating system, application software, and server infrastructure to harness all these innovations and transform them into solutions. We're focused on the solution areas that are top of mind for enterprise IT leaders, starting with hyperconverged infrastructure for hybrid and multi-cloud environments, moving to relational databases for transactional data processing, and to data analytics for teasing out insights from data. As you can see, there's significant enthusiasm for EPYC in the industry. And if you want to see a broader range of solutions available, you can browse the more than 20 solutions overviews on our launch site. To sum it up for enterprise IT, when you put together the performance and value of third gen EPYC combined with these solutions, you will be able to do more, do it faster, and do it for less. Now that is transformational value for the industry.
Whether you have an on-prem infrastructure, or you're a cloud user, or you have a hybrid environment, third-gen EPYC processors are simply the best in the industry. I'm so thankful for our amazing partners who joined us today. They are just a tremendous set of partners, and really just the tip of the iceberg in terms of the broad ecosystem we've built as we bring the benefits of EPYC processors to as many cloud, enterprise, and HPC customers as possible. You can expect to hear and see much more about third-gen EPYC in 2021. For the enterprise, we'll have more than 100 EPYC server platforms available from all the leading providers. For the cloud, there will be more than 400 EPYC-based instances available. And we've also worked across the entire ecosystem with a broad range of software providers and system integrators to deliver solutions for nearly every application and customer segment. We are incredibly proud of the deep partnerships we have built over the past several years across the entire server ecosystem.